We're gonna do some space engine exploration. We're gonna try to find alien planet. They just updated the generation. We're gonna see what planets with life look like and if they're different in this update. I wonder, am I gonna notice anything different? I mean, this looks cool. Find a ringed ocean planet. Here's a ringed planet with some aurora borealis. This is a pretty planet. Whoa. This is a cool looking planet. Black hole. Binary with this star, and it's all orbiting this star. That's cool. 3 object system, like it's like a 3-star system. That star is huge. Oh, I think we're just comparing it to that small black hole. This looks like Mars. Is that water? Maybe it used to be.
The generation update was mainly to fix a bug in generation where it would go gas giant Terra, and so on. It also added depth to water. Smiley face.
Depth to water? Okay, let's find some water. Is that water on here? No. Eclipse though. Temperate arid Terra. So this is close to being suitable for life. There's just no water. And look at that moon. That's like Earth-like moon. And then there's that moon too. I want to try to find one without... Oh! Double life system? And they're both on moons? Okay, subglacial. That's rare. 2 objects in the system of life. Subglacial means it lives under the ice on this planet, which, I mean, on this moon, and it's probably gonna be the same on this. Yeah, subglacial. Kind of boring, but technically there's probably like single-celled organisms living in this ice. This game is so beautiful, bro. Another subglacial. Is subglacial, I think it's the most common type in this game. Wait, this looks cool. The colors on this one are cool. And then it's got a little moon. That's a big moon, actually, relative. 4-star system. Look how close these are. How realistic is that? I feel like they tear each other apart. And then these 2 orbit each other also. This is all in the Milky Way, which is crazy. You would never be able to check all of these in the Milky Way. Marine terrestrial. Ooh. Temperate marine terra with life. So this is very, very Earth-like. The Earth similarity index is 91, which means this is 91% like Earth. This is our first taste of a, like, cool life planet. The atmosphere is kind of ugly. We got grass, but no rings, no moons. Okay. But theoretically, this could have intelligent life on it. What's our like temperature? 30 C. Okay. That's a little warm. Atmosphere is good. Nitrogen and oxygen. Gravity 75 G. You could live here. What's our pressure? 66 atmospheres. That's a lot. Okay, let's go to a new galaxy. My goal is to find the coolest looking planet possible that also has life. Aerial life on this gas giant. So like in the clouds. And then there's also in the same system, there's 2 binary planets. A super Terra with water. Whoa. Leaving the Milky Way, our home, to venture forth onward to some random galaxy, I guess. Let's try this one. That looks too basic. I want a cool looking one. What kind of organism can live inside clouds? Probably like just small single-celled or multi-celled, but they like blow in the winds, you know? Here's a cool galaxy. Let's go here and let's search for star browser. Within 200 light years, we want a temperate marine terra with life. Okay, we got a few hits. Let's see if any of these look cool. It's a moon? Wait, frigid arid mini... That's not what I asked for. It's this. This is a double life system. This looks pretty cool. Where's all the light on the back coming from? It's a binary system. So we get even the night, like this is nighttime. We're still getting light from this star. This looks very dry, like Tatooine, bro. We do have oceans, so life is possible here. Next, another double life system. Yo, okay. This might be the coolest looking one so far. I want one like this, but with rings, you know? Atmosphere is looking good on this one. Not ugly brown like that other one. It's like a light blue. This is cool. We get sand. Do we have like any big mountains or anything? Not really. Volcanoes. So we do have some mountain ranges. Pretty cool looking. This does look alien though. It doesn't look like Earth, which I mean, it's not Earth, so. And there's a subglacial moon too, which like this could be our system. You know, the Europa Clipper gets to Europa and there's subglacial life on it. You know how cool that'd be? Next, we got... Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is what we're looking for. Ringed planet with life. Ocean planet. Okay, not a lot of ocean. Earth similarity index, 92.7. That's pretty good. Red? The ground's red, and the sky looks identical to Earth. This is good, but I think we can do better. This does look pretty cool, though. The rings are so dark, look. Interesting. They're not illuminated because they're lined up perfectly with the star, maybe? If we give it some time? Like no, that's because we're facing back. Look, the rings are perfectly flat, so you don't really see them. Okay, that's good, but we can get better. Ooh, this one looks cool, but no rings, but still. Just hold up. Yeah. Okay, big oceans are super good for life. Earth has huge oceans. We do have a giant continent, though. Giant continent surrounded by huge oceans is interesting. We got rivers and such. Earth similarity index, 77. Pangea, yeah, it sort of adds a supercontinent. It'd be so sick if this game added like continental drift, so you could like speed up time and actually watch a planet go through its life cycle and like watch the stars die, you know? I don't know if that will ever happen, but that would be so sick. This one looks kind of ugly. Still cool though. I could see this being in like Star Wars or something. Okay, let's go to a new galaxy. I think the spiral galaxies are going to be our best chance of getting good stuff. I don't know if the game really cares about what kind of galaxy, but spiral ones, they've been around longer usually because they've had time to flatten out, I think is the math behind it, but don't quote me on that. Okay, here's a spiral. Let's go here and do our search again. 2 planets right next to each other with life. Wait, hold up. Oh, wait. This is cool because like this is like Earth, and this one that is right next to it is like Mars, but it has life. Very cool. Earth similarity index, 88. Okay. But we can actually see the rings now. Like, that's pretty cool looking. This is probably the closest we've got so far. I still think we can do better though. Let's see the surface. Seeing the rings is cool. Let's see like, oh, sorry. Flashing light warning. Nighttime on this planet. Oh, there's sunrise. You can see the rings glowing, and the rings are so bright that they cause light pollution and you can't see the stars. Interesting. So if we lived on a ring planet, you might have trouble seeing the stars at night because of the bright rings. Something to think about. This one's cool. This one looks really cool, but it doesn't look like habitable, you know? It says marine terra. There is some water, but the colors on this are really cool. That's grass, apparently. I don't know where the water is coming from to grow that. And we got some mountains, if you even call that a mountain. I mean, I guess we're high up. It does have rings. Wait, did you see that? It has rings. They're just very dim. Yeah, it does have rings. Oh, wait. Almost 94% Earth life likelihood. Or the Earth similarity index. This is cool. I think visually, the only thing this is missing is the big oceans. Otherwise, this looks very, very close to Earth. Chip, can you find a river? Yeah, here's a river right here. It'd be so cool if they added like trees, because otherwise it looks so like, if this was real, there'd be forests here, or, you know, alien forests equivalent. Okay, this is probably the most Earth-like planet we found so far. And look, it even has a moon-like Earth, so you'd get tides and such. Is there even any big oceans? No. That's like our biggest ocean. So, I feel like the ocean should be bigger. What do we got next? Ugly. This looks cool. It does have rings. It has rings. Yo, wait. The multicolor looks so cool. What are the glowing things around it? Those are the moons. Small ocean? Okay. This is weird. It has like an ocean, but the rest of the entire planet is land. I feel like the life would all develop around this ocean. Maybe on this island too. And there's volcanoes causing new islands to pop up. Earth similarity index is only 80%. We do get Aurora Borealis. Giant mountain ranges. Look at these. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. While we watch the sunset. Are these rivers? Okay, so there is some water running through these. These are like canyons, so that would mean like geologically, there used to be a lot more water running through here to carve these out, and now there's not. Can you show us the moons, please? I'll just show the big one. Okay, I just went like through the planet. Here's its biggest moon, and there's the planet for reference. This is pretty close, because like Earth's moon is a lot further. So if we're standing on the moon and you look up, that's sick. That's all the ones that it found right here. New galaxy. Let's go like really far. This galaxy here is kind of all by itself. Let's see what this has. Very bright in here. It only found one, and it's a cool one. Yo, okay. With life, rings. The rings are pretty dim. We do got some big volcanoes. Inactive, I guess? Where's the life? Oh, we're just in a dry spot. Here. Yeah, like you can see the grass. That's a cool one. Oh, that's the only one it found. There's more life in the system. It's a binary system that has another rocky planet with life and not subglacial. That's a very close moon. I feel like that might break apart. Let's go in this galaxy that looks very similar to the Milky Way. Let's go like in a cloud. Okay, we got a lot of hits. That one looks kind of ugly. I'm gonna go through these quick. No way, ocean world. Like actually oceans, big oceans. Yes, yes. Okay, new best, new best. This is perfect. Giant oceans are so good for life, bro. Like, I feel like you need it to look like this. Go underwater. Oh yeah, didn't they add water depth for real now? Okay, let me go like on this. Okay, it's pretty shallow here. And look at the rings, that's so cool. Now let's compare that to the middle of the ocean. Oh, it's so deep. I'm swimming down. It's so deep. Oh, I'm fully under the water. I can't see anything. That's sick. Accurate depth. Yeah. And there's even like little lakes. I mean, not little. These are pretty massive. Like actually very massive. I'm going 100 kilometers a second and it still takes... It's like 1,000 kilometers big lake. How big is this planet? 90 Earth Similarity Index. Diameter is 1.4 about of Earth. Got little islands out here. This is cool. New favorite. Hey, if you guys want to go to any of these, type this number in on your search right here and you'll get it. Okay, any other cool planets that it picked up? This one looks pretty cool. Oh, it's like dark, like gray. Oh, another multicolored one. I love the way these ones look. Oh, the other one is more like, more red. Another ringed one, but it's kind of ugly. We got a moon with life, subglacial rings, but also ugly. Okay, that one we found, that's the best. That might be really hard to beat, actually. Kind of ugly. Whoa, small rings. Look how close the rings are on this one. It's a water world, and it has like this like ominous color to it. It's not fully a water world. There's an island, and it has 17 moons. Wow. And these islands are cool. Oh, look how gross the sky looks. Turn off the atmosphere. Oh, if it had like a cool looking atmosphere, this might be one of my favorites. But just the atmosphere is so ugly. That white speck is very close to the rings. Look how close this moon is. Both of these. Like if we're standing on this, look how close we are to the planet. We're like at the exact same level, like as the rings that we can't even see them. Would you be able to see them in real life if you were here? Like, look, see the rings are there, but if we land on this, oh, just right there, I could barely see them. This has huge potential. This is my favorite. This is my favorite one. This looks so cool. I wish the rings were a little easier to see, but look at this planet, dude. Go down to this river. You can see the rings. Let's check out like a sunset on here. The rings being hard to see makes it more cool in my opinion. Yeah, then they don't block the light out, so you can still see stars at night. Maybe. They're still pretty bright at night. This looks like Earth. Earth at night. Just ignore the rings. Like this looks like the Milky Way. I mean, there's not going to be our constellations. But this is so cool. What's our Earth similarity? 81? Still, this is my favorite one. Look at that. That's fire. That is alien life in SpaceEngine, everybody. Found some cool planets. Thank you for watching this. Click the link in the description. The top link will say, follow me on Twitch to see these videos live. And you can be here live like these guys. So do that. And thanks for watching and let me know what you want to see in the comments. Goodbye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah.